Welcome to Stories in Color. Today, let's draw a pig, a cute, happy pig. Let's start drawing together. First, we draw the ears. The ears are soft and slightly bent. They help the pig listen to the world around it. Next, draw the head. Make a big round shape under the ears. The head is smooth and simple. The pig is friendly and smiling. Now it's time for the snout. In the middle of the face, draw a small oval. Inside the oval are two little circles for the nostrils. This is the pig's nose, also called a snout. Let's draw the body. Under the head, draw a big oval shape. The body is round and chubby. The pig looks strong and happy. Next, add the legs. Draw 4 short legs under the body. They are simple and straight. The pig is standing firmly on the ground. Now we color the whole drawing. Color the pig pink. You can make the snout a little darker. Take your time and enjoy coloring every part. When you finish, look at your picture. You have drawn a cute pig, full of life and joy. Thank you for drawing with us. See you next time in Stories in Color. Please subscribe.